Happy Leaving Cert Geography to you. Let's get straight to the predictions. We're going to start with ordinary level. Once again, geography is a tough one to predict because they ask pretty much everything. But here we go. Here's my attempt at it. So I have some predictions for the short questions, which I'm going to skip because you can just have a look at this document at the end of the video if you're interested in that. I'm going to start with physical geography. Physical geography, you should get your OS map, your landforms of your choice, basically, rivers, sea, glaciers, whatever. Also humans and their impacts on said landforms or processes. Volcanoes is likely this year, as is carbonation. In regional geography, for your Irish stuff, expect EU impact on the Irish region and also perhaps to sketch Ireland. For your European region, industry and perhaps to sketch that too. For your continent or subcontinent, we do India. It's agriculture or tourism, I'd say. Possibly a challenge. And usually in that section you'll be asked to interpret a graph or chart of some type. Economic geography. Once again, to interpret a graph or chart, to draw a graph or chart, that's common. To sketch the aerial photo comes up in that section often. Ireland and the EU come up nearly every year. MNCs in general, multinational companies, colonialism, global warming. For human geography, once again to interpret or draw a graph or chart. Why the town developed at its location in the OS map, that's a likely one. Population pyramids, perhaps sketching the aerial photo. Traffic congestion, urban problems in developed countries, and aging population and what that brings with it. There you go, that's the order level geography. Now let's skip on to the other one, the higher level. Yeah, I know, it's a big subject. So once again I'm going to gloss over the short questions. They're handy enough anyway, even at a higher level they're not that difficult. Right. Physical geography, OS map sketch, landform of choice. It's looking like the impact of these on humans, like flooding, building storm walls, etc. That should come up this year. Volcanoes is a hot topic. Humans and rocks, rock cycles, tectonic theories. Yeah. Regional geography for Ireland, culture is likely. So is Ireland's relationship with the EU, very topical now, considering Brexit and all that. Yes, your European region, agriculture and tourism, those two. For your subcontinental or continental region, problems in the region or culture of the region, maybe tourism. Economic geography, draw a graphic chart, interpret a graphic chart. Ireland and the EU, developing countries and globalization. Sketch the aerial photo, multinational companies in general, maybe some kind of ordnance survey question about economic activity in the town. For human geography, I think the OS settlement pattern is the most likely one there. Also to draw a graph or chart, interpret a graph or chart. Urban growth in developed economies. Why the town developed at its location from the aerial photo. Migration, rural to urban migration, and a few other things as well. I'll link this at the end of the video. Now for your options, big question this. We'll start with global interdependence. The most likely thing there is non-governmental organisations and the aid debate. Also ineffective third world aid, although third world isn't politically correct these days, but you know what I mean. The culture and identity option. Language, it's a big one for this year, very likely. Also religion and politics, or maybe that question about cultural groups versus national borders. For geoecology, the impact of human activity on a biome. So soil erosion and humans, and also the influence of climate on a biome. And finally, the atmosphere, ocean, environment option. This is the one Eilish does in the manner. Although, actually, I have to say, of the four, it's my least favourite of the categories. Anyhow, the first one is interaction of the ocean and atmosphere, basically the water cycle. Number 2 is an account of any global climate. Number 3, global wind systems. Okay, that's everything. All the best of luck with your geography exam.